full alloy multi-purpose excavator and log lighting made from alloy material. 2.4级可 remote control, app controlled. 5 attachment heads equipped with quick connect coupling. Enables quick connect changeover. Alloy flex and flexible mobility. Electric linear actuator power, durable alloy for sand and soil excavation. Can support the entire machine. Alloy ball grabbing pin. Replacement attachment set. Alloy dual bit. Helical vibration. Alloy timber grapple. Rotatable breaker. The watt-cable features continuous rotation, simulation rotating cutting pliers. Authentic engineering machinery feel meticulously replicated.